guys, so we're going to a school trip and I bring my
So today is a field trip, so we wake up so early today.
Look.
And I have Amara's with me. And
I have my
because
gray
of that,
bag. By the
we
way,
have to walk.
By the way, I have my gray bag that can fit the tablet and everything. I didn't know it did fit.
Yeah, it's pretty dark right
everything.
now. You
Yeah.
don't see her nicely.
Mine's-
But mommy can see.
I'm so dark because I'm black. I am still on the dark.
Alright. And now we are
It's
in
so
a bright.
dark. So dark, my God.
And there you are.
I'm so black.
It's not bad. Totally it's dark. That's why.
Should I hold this? I have to hold it.
Guys, nandito na kami. Hindi ko nga alam kung bus natin yan eh. So, So, ayan. Medyo pagod ako. Pagod ako maglakad.
Is that the first bus?
So, ayan. Dito na tayo na sa sport complex. Ano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko pa. Ayan, medyo pagod na. Ayan. May Twinsie.
Okay na, dito na kami. May moon pa rin. Ang ganda. May moon, oh.
Sun. And the moon. Jinjin said, it's cute.
Yeah.
We are the first one. And,
No, there's other people there.
Yeah, Jinjin
So we
man.
went first.
Sa ayun.
It means we have to go first. We gotta go.
Look into our bus. Or five. Six. I guess. Dito na tayo sa bus natin. Seven. I guess this is 7. Bakit brown out? Guys, ito na ang ating bus. Papasok tayo. So, ayan na ang ating bus. Alright guys, so basta
Guys, my bag tied me up.
So, kami una.
Help me, guys. I tied myself up from my bag.
Ano ba yan?
Tapos, kapag inikuha yung bag ko, di dadalhin ko sa bag ko din. If they try to steal my bag, then
No one still that.
they're gonna take me too. But the worst part is, Mom, you have to take this out. I'm stuck. Fridge. Mini fish. There's a mini fridge. That's cute. Ay, tuloy! Coca-Cola.
Opening prayer po.
Napanta mo yung camera sa mukha ko.
So, ano po, kailangan po, ano po.
Hello guys, welcome back to our
Sino po,
channel.
mami? O ano po?
We're going to SM, go.
Wag po kailang mahimik.
We're going to SM guys.
Ang itinerary po natin yan ay Balasway na tsaka sa siya.
Bayan na tayo. Oh, bayan. Bayan. I forgot.
That's what people buy.
nagbibigay na sa kanila ng Bulacan. So,
Nakuha sa pangalan.
ang pinakasentro nila ay
Bulacan.
ang Malolos, Bulacan, which is doon po din yung
Punta tayo sa Shrine Divine Mercy. So,
maging
yun na
tourist
natin
spot po dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. Which is po itong mga pupuntahan natin ay isa din ang bawat isa sa kanilang mga religion. Yun po, kasi yun naman po talaga ang katuruan ng simbahan na tayo ay magrespeto po sa isa't isa. Grade 4, tama po ba? Mali. At po siya noong 1993. Ano nga pupuntahan natin sa araw na ito? Yung una natin pupuntahan? Okay, yung Shrine of Divine Mercy. Kailan itin talaga siya sa mga bata kung titingnan po natin, di ba? Sino na po yung mga nanood ng mga palabas po ni Jesus Christ bago po magmahal na
Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa first destination. We are in the Shrine Divine Mercy. So, ayan. Pa tayo bababa. Just wait. So, ito siya. Hindi daw. Hey guys, ito ang Shrine Divine Mercy. I don't know kung pwedeng umakyat. Pwede bang umakyat doon?
Can I go to Mommy Rian?
Hindi ko nga alam kung saan tayo pupunta. Yung tour guide natin nawawala eh.
Can I touch the grass? How would...
Just knock knock. Mag-knock knock ka daw, May. Tama na yun, dami yun. Ikaw rin, May. Knock knock ka daw. Ay, ang ganda dito. Ganda, oh. No. Touch daw the grass. And now she's coming back. Then the engine's there. She go to touch the grass. Iiwan ka na namin, love. Halika na, dali. Tara na, dali. Tinatawag na tayo. Alright guys, so that's it. So ito ang Shrine Divine Mercy. Tama ba ako? So ayan, next destination. Wow, ang ganda naman itong bamboo tree. Ay, picture pala yun.
mo siya siya.
So nakita namin higanting Jesus Christ. So what do you say, love? Mai, look here, Mai. Si Mai.
Guys, look.
Mai, look at here. And Mai's there.
Guys, look.
What's that? The sound. You forgot. Okay, guys. Ayun lang pala ang nangyari. Okay, guys. Kukuha na tayo sa next destination. So, so, gusto mo ba dyan, love?
No, I doesn't feel like we already went
So,
there.
bye-bye there.
I doesn't feel like we already went there. No.
Bye po.